Hey guys, how's it going? This is over here. It's really late at night. It's like 10 o'clock at night. So today, this is a new series, a playlist. It's called VideoPad tutorials. So today I'm going to be showing you how to add files and export your video files. So yeah, let's get right into it. This is just simple for beginners and stuff like that. And as we get more into as we get into more in the series, if we get more for advanced users, so first is just, you see this up here, you want to click on that and add your file. I'm just going to add a random one, or you can open this and open VideoPad like this, do this, just like, oh no, VideoPad, do this and just click and drag it into the VideoPad. And it should click and drag it into VideoPad. So first, I'm just gonna add these real quick. Okay, so then you want to click this little export button next to the add files button, and click that. I'm going to click one of these. It can be video file, 3D video file, portable video, lossless video, Blu-ray, movie disc, Blu-ray, data disc, DVD movie disc, DVD data disc, image sequence, YouTube, Flickr, Dropbox, Google Drive, OneDrive, Family, and Export Wizard. So in this case, I'm just going to click video file, and yeah. And change the name. I'm just going to change it as VideoPad. And change this to VideoPad. So you can, I recommend changing the preset to custom. Or if you want to, you can just change it to like YouTube 720p, or but I recommend custom, so you can change the frame rate and stuff. Like if you click on YouTube and you go and change the frame rate to 30 frames, it changes it to custom. So I recommend custom. Or you can do default, but what if it's really low quality? So yeah, custom. You can change it all the way up to 4K. 3840 by 2160 is 4K. But in this case, I'm just going to do 720p. To change the frame rate and change the actual video format, the file format, the 3GP, ASF, AVI, DV, LV, GIF, AP, APNG, MKV, MOV, MP4, MPG, OGV, RM, SWF, WMV. So I'm going to do MP4. You can do any one of these. You can do GIF. I'm going to do MP4 though. So you can change this. So you can change, if you click on this, I'm going to change the to H264. I don't even know what this means, so I'm just going to do this. You can change the video quality bitrate. So you can do like 500, you can do 40,000, you can do the max. And I'm just gonna leave that there. Audio, ACC is probably gonna do that. And same as input, you can change it to anyone you want. And default, I'm just gonna do high quality, and I'm gonna click OK. Again too. So yeah, and then you can change the folder that you want to save it to. So I'm going to save it to my desktop. Save it to my desktop. So I'm going to create it. I'm just going to wait for it to export. If it's a low file size, it should say it won't take long. It's not going to take long. And it's done. I'm going to close it, and if I go to my desktop, where is it? It should be here somewhere. Where is it? Go look for my desktop. It's called VideoPad. Video file called VideoPad. Oh, my desktop is so filled I can't even find it. VideoPad, here it is. So if I double click on it, just gonna open it to whatever you have as default video player as. So I'm gonna play it. So yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's tutorial. If you did, be sure to leave a like, comment, subscribe to my channel. So yeah, until next time, peace.